Right. I don't know if you saw any more videos, but that doesn't matter because you're going to watch this one. Do you understand? This is scuba dive for the Spectrum. Right, you enter skill. I'll have one. Right, now you emerge from your boat. There we go. Emerge from your boat. It's so hard to control, it's unbelievable. See, it's really hard to control. Right, I mean the sound's brilliant, sound effects are brilliant. Right, okay, we're off. Now just the sea's black, so it must be full of oil. Here we go. Fishing through. This is what games are supposed to be like. Ah, octopus! Oh my god, what are you doing? Go, go! Oh my god, that's me. Watch out. Go, 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 go! Oh, I'm dead. I hit the rock, so I'm dead. Oh, I've been killed by the octopus. I'll give it a 5 out of 10. Goodbye.